for the first name equal Karim and last name equal Karim, the cardinality is 1. We have only one this row. So the cardinality is 1. This is a Y subset of tuples. And as you know, subset because this in the new relation is the same in this personal, in this table, which is person. So basically, the selection is a subset of the original relation. Okay? This is the first example that we want to understand using selection. Okay? So we have, this is the relation name. This is the relation name. This is ID. This is name, gender, age, city. So in this example, we have the relation name is person. The cardinality is 1, 2, number of rows, 3, 4, 5. So cardinality is 5. Arity or degree of this relation is the number of columns. The degree 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relation scheme. What is the relation scheme of this table? It is ID, name, gender, age, city. This is the relation schema. Number of columns or degree is the number of columns in this relation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, cardinality, number of data rows and that contain data, not this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Imagine that we have this operation. Select, this is the selection condition on relation name, which is person. This is relation name. This is the selection condition. This is the selection. As we hear, selection conditions on R. So it means that select from relation which we call person, age, all the information for age greater than 30. Where's the age? This is the age. He will go here, check. This is greater than 30. No, he will not add in the new relation. This is greater than 30. Yes. Add Fuad to the new relation. This is greater than 30. Yes. Add all this line in the new relation. This is also true. Add all this line in the new relation. This is no. So we have only 3. And this is 30 Fuad, man, 33 Saida, Beirut. As you see, for a selection of a specific condition, we have chosen order row, not only the age. We have chosen the rows that have age larger than 30, and we add all of them. And as you notice now here, okay, as you notice, these 3 are a subset of this relation. They contain here, as you see. And as you see, the cardinality number of rows is less than or equal to this relation. Here we have 5. Here we have 3. But look, we have the same relation scheme. We have ID, name, gender, age, city, as this is the relation scheme as this here. You see? So the selection maintain the relation scheme. Okay? Selection maintain the same relation scheme. What does it mean, this arrow here and S1? It means now the new table that we want to create based on this query name it as S1. So this as a renaming function. So we call this a renaming. Arrow this way, and we call here some name, we write some name. This is the new name. This is the name of the new relation that we will create. So this, we call it S1 here, person. As you see, these are two different relations now. As we rename the new table with this function. So this as renaming it. Another example. Select age greater than 30. This is 30, not the 3. 30 and city equal SIDA. You see, we have used the logical and the logical greater than or equal less than. In this case we use the greater than. So age greater than 30 and city equal SIDA. So basically we can do but on person. So we go here. Where is 33? This is 33 greater than 30. That's correct. And should be SIDA. This is the first one, SIDA. So we take this one. 30 for Adman, 33 SIDA. And if we go down here, yes, this is true greater than 30. But SIDA is not here. So Beirut here. And also here 33 is true, but Beirut no. So we need this to be true and this to be true to choose the row, as in this case. Age 33 and city is SIDA. So you see here the same way. As you see, we have the same relation schema for the selection. And we have also the number of rows less than or equal 5 here. So this renaming, this new relation based on this condition, we call it as 2. Okay, this is what we call the selection operation. Okay. So another thing that you should put in your mind now, selection always maintain the same relation scheme as the original relation here. Okay, now we want to talk about the projection. The projection, it changed this relation scheme. We may take one column or 2 or 3 or all of them. We will see. Before talking about the projection, we have to explain some operations or some properties about the selection in order to save some time. Okay, so the selection on condition 1, if we applied the selection using condition 1 on the selection on on the same relation using condition 2, it's equal to the selection using condition 2 on the output or the resulting relation from the selection using condition 1. So it means that you can change the order, and it's commutative. A and B, A and it's commutative. A and B or B and A, like 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 1. It's the same. Okay? So now this is commutative. We should first start here and then we do the second condition. We should start from the inner. On this result we do condition 2, or here we should start at the selection on R using condition 2, and the result we will use this. If we come back to this table, if you remember here we did selection age 30, we have this result. Can we do now on this select age greater than 32? Instead of using 30, imagine that we use 32. We can do it on this relation, and we have this and that, Fuad and Laila. Is it equal to first using on greater than 30? Is it equal to using select age greater than 32? We first use 32 and then a 30. Excuse me, just one moment. Okay, sorry. Okay. So now we were talking about the commutativity of the selection. So the selection on condition 1, when we apply it into another selection using condition 2, is equal to selection on condition 2 applied to condition 1 on the selection resulting from the application of condition 1. Okay. So the selection as an example here we were talking about the selection of this sigma 30 on selection of sigma 30 greater age greater than 33. What's the relation? Imagine now we are applying this, then we apply also on this relation, sorry, on relation R, not on this relation. On relation R, we will also use age greater than 33. So age 30 is this relation. Okay, age 33, if we apply age 33 now, we will have greater than 32, sorry. It will only have 33 and this 33, right? So it is this one and this one. So now we applied sigma age greater than 30 on. Now we want to apply on, we open parentheses as we did here. We should open, so sigma condition 30 on the selection condition 2. So condition 2 is greater than 32 here, and this condition on 30 on greater than 30 here. So we should apply sigma age greater than 30 on the result of applying on the main relation condition 2, which is greater than 32.